TSIBA, the Textile Strategic Initiative for Broad-Based Access, TSIBA, is an entrepreneurial initiative that provides SMMEs, cooperatives, and emerging entrepreneurs an opportunity to meaningfully participate in the mainstream textile industry. The program has representatives mobilized provincially, concentrating on building local capacity. It covers the entire textile value chain, from production of manufacturing inputs to retail of finished products. TSIBA is anchored on the philosophy of the home is a factory, where entrepreneurs produce their wares in cottage industries, subject them to a robust quality assurance process, and distribute them to the markets. Textile hubs and manufacturing nodes are, however, encouraged as a means of exploiting economies of scale. The program provides services in two parts, with a training and development program and an investment and entrepreneurship program. The development and provision of markets is one of TSIBA's main services to the cooperatives and the SMMEs. The product range covers the textile industry, including leather products and related textile accessories. The TSIBA Casuals label has been launched into the market as part of the TSIBA brand, with linen and homeware being the next labels in line. Partnerships forged thus far are structured to deliver on appropriate technology acquisition, skills transfer, provision of essential resources, and acquisition of a sustainable market share by the SMME sector. And future plans include acquisition of a sizable market share by program participants through direct participation in the retail sector. The Nkomamonta Organic Farmers Agricultural Cooperative. This project, based in Tzaneen in Limpopo Province, started in 2003 and consists of 16 organic farms comprising of 3 female and 13 male farm owners. The individual farms mainly produce peppers, green beans, sweet corn, eggplant, butternut and mangoes, which are sold to the fresh produce markets in Johannesburg, Tshwane and Cape Town. In addition, 2 farmers are selling their produce through agreements with Woolworths and Pick n Pay. 6 different types of mangoes are organically grown, of which 2 are exported internationally. All farmers received training in cooperative management provided by LIPSA through the Premier's office, attended workshops on financial management hosted by the Department of Agriculture, and learned the practice of organic farming in fruit and vegetables, which was sponsored by Trade and Investment Limpopo. In order to develop and increase their capacity, all farmers require training in effective pest control methods specifically related to organic farming practices. Due to the region's extreme temperatures, their produce is subjected to prevailing hot weather conditions, and they urgently require assistance in constructing netting houses and tunnels to prevent sun-burnt produce. A recent agreement with Westvalia Packing now provides farmers the opportunity to use these facilities for the packaging and distribution of their produce, but would in future require their own pack house and processing plant, which will facilitate the expansion of the cooperative by increasing their product range to include organic fruit juice and dried fruits. Iza Crafts. Iza Crafts, established in 2001, was a dream come true for owner Tembega Mitele, who grew her home-based sewing operation to a thriving company, employing 10 full-time seamstresses and 2 full-time beaders. In addition, Iza Crafts afford 15 part-time beaders the opportunity to work from home, earning much-needed income to support their families while taking care of their families, especially the elders and children. Iza Crafts harnesses the timelessness of beads in a wide range of versatile and beautifully crafted items, with a niche in the Xhosa craft market. Combining ethnicity with professionalism, they provide items that reflect the traditions of the Eastern Cape while maintaining the elegance of corporate standards. Iza Crafts' product range consists of traditional Xhosa pipes and beaded pins, fashion clothing and traditional wear, handbags and home deco, including curtains, throws, cushions and table settings. Their conference bags gained popularity because of their style, quality and tradition. Their products are sold mainly at the Port Elizabeth Craft Market, the Mthatha Eastern Cape Craft Hub, and at the Johannesburg's Rosebank rooftop over weekends. Learning to sew from her mother, Thembeka now trains her employees, who in turn teach each other their individual skills. Employees are given access to learnerships and are also empowered with the knowledge and encouraged to eventually start their own businesses. Due to the high demand of their conference bags and consistently receiving orders of over 200 units which need to be branded, the necessity of owning a 10-head embroidery machine are apparent. The machine will undoubtedly lower production costs. In time, Iza Crafts aims to occupy bigger premises to incorporate a workshop for production and a showroom to showcase their products, and would appreciate government's assistance in this regard. Zenoga. Zenoga, based in the Strand in the Western Cape, is an independent empowerment and skills training program for women which was started in 2003 by Jeanette Gibson and currently employs 4 full-time employees. Zenoga embodies playfulness, harmony and beauty by creating exquisite functional craft. All products are handmade by South African women with social relevance playing at the cutting edge of design. Zenoga produces unique fashion accessories which include handbags, necklaces, earrings, tie bags, placemats and serviette rings. In addition to functional art pieces, they also produce on commission deco items and signature pieces. Products are primarily sold in the Latin Quarter, England and Johannesburg. Zenoga is now also looking at the possibility of selling in Finland. Zenoga employs incredible workers and incredible women, but to ensure self-sustainability with the possibility of more employment opportunities, Zenoga requires employees to be equipped with the skills to go out and market the products. Zenoga's products symbolize the love, commitment and individuality of its makers. Each item is unique and precious and part of the women that make it. It personifies the individual, and when buying one of their rose bags, one acquires 2 days out of a single woman's life. If the products can be supported and sold with the story, it truly becomes a treasure for anybody to own. Talking Beads. Talking Beads was founded in 1997 and sells both beaded artifacts as well as corporate gifts. Because of the demand for high-quality, locally made corporate gifts, this business has been doing well, selling to government as well as private sector clients, event companies, and even has offices through the South African embassies in most overseas countries. Talking Beads intends to be a global business with its inspirational owner, aiming to help many other women entrepreneurs. The enterprise currently employs 30 full-time staff and has trained 4,500 people. The biggest challenge faced by the business is from its biggest client, government. The business believes that the slow rate of payment and turnaround time could be improved. The business also sees the need for better training that empowers people. The owner describes the business as, "The beauty of our products are made with love. Beads do talk. Beads are a language."